Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we read Journeying into the Wild to meet one of the planet's most iconic and powerful predators, the tiger. As the largest species of big cat, the tiger commands respect and awe wherever it roams. But did you know that the term tiger actually covers several distinct subspecies? Each one is unique, adapted to its own environment, and sadly, many are in a desperate fight for survival. Over the years, we've already lost some of these magnificent cats forever, like the Bali, Javan, and Caspian tigers. Their extinction is a stark reminder of what's at stake. So today, let's explore the incredible diversity of the tigers that are still with us, from the most numerous to the most endangered, and understand why they need our help now more than ever. Let's start with the most famous of them all, the Bengal tiger. When you picture a tiger, this is likely the one that comes to mind. With its classic bright orange coat and bold black stripes, the Bengal tiger is a true symbol of the wilderness. It's also the most numerous tiger subspecies, with the largest population found in the forests, mangroves, and grasslands of India. Smaller populations also exist in Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. An adult male Bengal can weigh over 500 pounds, making it a formidable apex predator. They are solitary hunters, primarily preying on deer, wild boar, and other large mammals. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Bengal tiger is the existence of the white tiger. It's important to know that white tigers are not a separate subspecies or albinos. They are simply Bengal tigers with a rare recessive genetic trait that strips the orange pigment from their fur, leaving them with a stunning white coat, black stripes, and piercing blue eyes. While beautiful, this coloration is a disadvantage in the wild, making it harder for them to camouflage and hunt. Almost all white tigers today live in captivity. The Bengal tiger's story is one of relative success in conservation, but its population still faces constant threats from poaching and habitat loss. Now, let's travel north to the cold, snowy landscapes of the Russian Far East. Here, in this harsh, unforgiving environment, lives the largest of all cats, the Amur tiger, also known as the Siberian tiger. This majestic animal is a true master of survival, to withstand the freezing temperatures, which can drop far below zero. The Amur tiger has developed a thick, dense coat of paler orange fur and a generous layer of fat for insulation. Its paws are large and padded, acting like snowshoes to help it walk on deep snow without sinking. These giants can weigh up to 660 pounds, or even more, making them the biggest subspecies of tiger on Earth. Their immense size allows them to hunt large prey like red deer and wild boar, which are essential for surviving the long, cold winters. Unlike their southern cousins, their stripes are fewer and farther apart. Once on the brink of extinction, with only about 40 individuals left in the 1940s, dedicated conservation efforts have helped their numbers rebound. Today, the Amur tiger represents a hopeful, yet fragile, success story in the world of wildlife preservation. Their comeback shows that with protection and commitment, we can pull these incredible animals back from the edge. Next, we journey to the tropical island of Sumatra in Indonesia, the only place in the world where you can find the Sumatran tiger. This subspecies is a stark contrast to the giant Amur tiger. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest of all living tiger subspecies, perfectly adapted to life in the dense tropical rainforest. Adult males typically weigh around 260 pounds. Their fur is a darker, deeper shade of orange, and their stripes are narrow and very close together, providing excellent camouflage in the dim, filtered light of the forest floor. They also have a more prominent ruff of fur around their neck, giving them a distinct and striking appearance. Their smaller size allows them to move more easily through the thick jungle vegetation as they hunt for prey like sambar, deer, and wild boar. Sadly, the Sumatran tiger is critically endangered. Its island home has faced massive deforestation for palm oil plantations and agriculture, shrinking their habitat at an alarming rate. Poaching for their skin, bones, and other body parts also remains a severe threat. With only a few hundred individuals estimated to be left in the wild, the Sumatran tiger is living on a knife's edge, and protecting its remaining forest habitat is absolutely crucial for its survival. Now, let's turn our attention to mainland Southeast Asia, which is home to two closely related and equally threatened subspecies. First, we have the Indo-Chinese tiger, historically found across countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, and Myanmar. Its appearance is similar to the Bengal tiger, but it's typically a bit smaller and has a darker coat. These tigers are incredibly elusive, preferring to live in remote, hilly, and mountainous forests, which makes studying them extremely difficult for scientists. Unfortunately, their populations have been decimated by rampant poaching and the fragmentation of their habitat. It's feared that they may already be extinct in some of their former range countries. Very closely related is the Malayan tiger, which was only recognized as a separate subspecies in 2004. As its name suggests, it is found exclusively in the southern and central parts of the Malay Peninsula. Physically, it is very similar to the Indo-Chinese tiger and is one of the smallest tiger subspecies. The primary threats are, once again, habitat loss due to development and relentless pressure from poachers. Both the Indo-Chinese and Malayan tigers are in a perilous situation, and urgent action is needed to secure their future in the wild. Finally, we must discuss a tiger that represents one of the most tragic stories in modern conservation, the South China tiger. This subspecies is believed to be the stem tiger, the ancestor from which all other tiger subspecies evolved. It's distinguished by its shorter, broader stripes and a powerful, muscular build. Historically, it roamed the temperate forests of southern China. However, due to decades of relentless hunting and habitat destruction, the South China tiger has not been definitively sighted in the wild for over 25 years. Because of this, it is now considered functionally extinct in its natural habitat. This means that even if a few individuals still survive, their population is no longer viable and cannot recover on its own. The only hope for the South China tiger now lies in captivity. A small population of just over 100 individuals exists in zoos and breeding centers, all descended from just a handful of wild-caught tigers. Conservationists are working tirelessly on a captive breeding program with the ultimate, ambitious goal of one day reintroducing them back into protected wild areas. The fate of the South China tiger is a powerful and somber lesson on how quickly we can lose a species forever. From the snowy forests of Siberia to the steamy jungles of Sumatra, the world of tigers is far more diverse than many people realize. We've met the mighty Amur, the classic Bengal, the tiny Sumatran, the elusive Indo-Chinese and Malayan tigers, and the functionally extinct South China tiger. Each one is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly adapted to its unique home. But their stories are all bound by a common, urgent theme: the threat of extinction. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal poaching have pushed these magnificent predators to the brink. They are not just beautiful animals, they are vital parts of their ecosystems, and their disappearance would have catastrophic consequences. The good news is that it's not too late. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of tigers. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into the natural world. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Let us know in the comments which tiger subspecies fascinated you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.